समझाया ये महाप्रभु सभी अवस्थित कैसे भारत है और विशेष करके राजा प्रताप रुद्र जगन्नाथ जी की रथ यात्रा के समय जगन्नाथ की रथ के सामने जब झाड़ू लगाने लगे उसको देख करके
So we were hearing about the shlok number 12 of Shri Shri Bhajan Rahasya.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु वाणी में उनके पर भी कृपा भी
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mercy upon the King Pratap Rudra, and at the time what happened? Here our Bhakti Vinod Thakur is describing. So when Mahaprabhu started the performing dance before the chariot of Jagannath ji, so Bhagwan Jagannath chariot reached to Jagannath Vatika. So at the time of noon, everybody was so much tired, so there was so much sunshine. So especially seeing this kinds of bhav of Mahaprabhu, so Swarup Damodar, he told to all the devotees, so we have to take rest here in Jagannath Vatika. So Shriman Mahaprabhu, so in the Jagannath Vallabh Vatika, he seated under the tree there, and at that time, so all the devotees like Kashi Mishra and Sarma Bhattacharya and others said, "Hey Maharaj Pratap Rudra, so in the same time you have to give up your royal dress, the king dress, and you have to take the Vaishnav dress and take the shelter of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu." So at that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he closed his eyes and he was observed in the bhav. And then what Pratap Rudra did, he took the form of Vaishnav and he massaged the feet of Mahaprabhu. So according to the Mahaprabhu's bhav, so he recited the Gopi Geet Shloka, Jayati Tedikam, like this. So when he was reciting the shloka, then when they enter into the shlok, Tab Kathamritam Tapta Jiva. So drawn himself into this bhav and he was doing kirtan. So Mahaprabhu closed his eyes and he said, "You are my dearest friend, because you are reciting this beautiful, you have told me beautiful katha of Krishna." At that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Raja Pratap Rudra, he hugged him. So in this way, in this katha, this is described. So Mahaprabhu was relishing the Brajramani's feelings. And Raja Pratap Rudra was serving Mahaprabhu's, he was massaging the feet of Mahaprabhu at that time, and he was reciting these kinds of shlokas.
दुरारोग्यों में तुम किस प्रकार जीवन धारण करते हो, क्योंकि हम कहते ही सुंदर, हम आपकी कथा की अमृत को श्रवण मात्र से ही यह कथा में तो हमने मन नहीं किया देखा है। कृष्ण विरह में
So in the separation of Krishna, Gopiya cannot tolerate the separations. That's why they would like to give up their life. But Krishna's beautiful katha, the nectarian katha, so hearing these kinds of nectarian katha, so their life is not going out. So you have this kinds of nectar in your katha who give the pleasure to the person who are suffering so much. And Krishna saying, hey gopis, I will give you the nectar from heaven. So you relish that, you taste that. Gopi are saying, hey pyare Shyam Sundar, so we can get the healthy body after taking the nectar of Swarga. It is mentioned in the scriptures. So Swarga Amrit, which is kept in the heaven, so after taking that Swarga Amrit, their body becomes healthy. But so with that nectar, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Matsarya increases in so much quantity. That's why the nectar in the heaven, so what is the use to take it? People would like to go to the heaven. So if you are taking the food in the Swarg, so your body will be healthy. But the vikar of our mind, the Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Matsarya, they increases so much, in so much quantities. That's why the Devta, they are so much intoxicated in Kam, Krodh. Indra, Chandra, you have heard the story of Indra and Chandra. So they have destroyed the chastity of Ahilya. Maybe you have heard this story. So that's why in the scripture it is said. So in this way gopis are saying, hey pyare Shyam Sundar, so if we get the nectar of heaven, so we will get the healthy body, but our Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Matsarya, our vikar will increase in so much quantities. So we have seen that Swargas, Devta, they are full of intoxication of this Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Matsarya. So Krishna is saying, hey gopis, you can take the liberation, moksha, which yogi wants that. So gopis are saying, if you are giving the moksha, salvation to the people, your devotee, they cannot accept this. There is a beautiful shlok. Of that. Which one?
Bhagavatam Shlokan Salokya Sashti Samikya Sarupya Ekatvam Apitya Diyamanam Nagranati Vinamatsyaram Janam.
He knows. You tell the shloka to Gaurav. So what Yogi and Brahmavadi used to do, they would like to enter into the Brahma Jyoti. So they think that they are submerged with Brahma, but actually not. They are just like entering there. There is no exchange of love is there. They are just like a stone in the water there. So when we get so much pleasure, when there is a reciprocation of love.
प्रीति के लक्षण क्या है?
So what are the symptoms of Priti? The reciprocation,
देना और
giving and taking. These are the
तो
symptoms
मुक्ति
of
धाम
Priti.
में लेना देना तो बहुत दूर की बात है, अपने भी होश नहीं रहता है, मुझे लोग भी पढ़ा रहता है।
So in that place they don't get this kinds of feelings that they are reciprocation, they are giving and taking.
कोई किसी आपको दे अथवा नहीं दे,
Somebody is giving you something or not, so it doesn't matter to you
है कि नहीं?
in that place.
अपने धुन में रहो, मस्त रहो, अपने भजन में मस्त रहो।
You should always engage in your bhajan and you have to get pleasure in your bhajan.
होश नहीं करता, अपने होश में बिल्कुल निर्जीव होकर पड़ा है।
So where you are not getting any kinds of consciousness, your bodily consciousness, the person who would like to submerge into the Brahm, so they're just like a coma patient.
मुच्छित अवस्था में जैसे पड़े हैं।
They are just like a coma patient. So they doesn't have any kinds of bodily conceptions, bodily consciousness. So just like if you throw a stone into the water, so that is stone. So stones always resides in the water, but it cannot become the water. In the same way, Jeev, when they would like to enter into the Brahma, so they enter into the Brahma. They doesn't become Brahma. So what the use of taking this kinds of mukti, the salvation or moksha? So gopis are saying that what the use of this kinds of mukti, then where there is no reciprocation of love.
तथा सुनादि बड़े बड़े भक्त तथा भगवान आपकी कथा को प्रशंसा करते हैं।
So that's why Brahma and Shiva and other devtas, they praise your katha.
तथापि विषय लोगों के कान और मन के आनंद ही देने वाले भगवान की कथा इतनी
So Bhagwan's katha is so much sweet. So the person who wants mukti, if they hear the katha of Bhagwan, so they will give up the mukti. And those person who are suffering in this world, in so much suffering, and or they are so much engaged in the Vishaya, so if they hear your katha, so they will get pleasure and they will be liberated from all kinds of vikars. So they will drown themselves into the ocean of pleasure. That's why those persons who are liberated, they always hear your katha without any interruptions. They always engage himself for hearing Bhagwan katha. So after doing this kinds of Hari Katha Kirtan, so they are not satisfied. They need more and more, more and more. When the Katha happens, so when somebody speaks Hari Katha and there is a barrier that you time limitation that you have to speak Hari Katha only for 10 minutes, so nothing. A king draw a line, draw a wall, and in that he said, paint here, paint this wall. And what he said, after sunset you have to stop working. If something left, then you can do it tomorrow. So you have to do painting this wall before sunsets, and whatever left, then you can keep paint it tomorrow. So he has given this time. So what was written there? Paint had done. There was a sun was going to set. So according to the instruction of king, that they had stopped painting. They stopped writing. So there is a big wall, newly painted. So they have wrote there,
वही पेशाब
So
है? नहीं कर
do not
करना नहीं
toilet, do not pass your urination here. It was written like this. यहाँ पेशाब करना मना है.
करना
Toilet, urination.
समय सब काम हो गया अंदर हो गया बत्ती भी चली गई मानो अंधकार हो गया
So it was written there like this on the wall. Do not pass your urination here.
राजा के आदेश था
So according to the instruction of the king, that if there is a darkness, then you stop working. And in the morning, what we see that everybody was doing toilet there.
महाराज ने कहा ये
So Maharaj said that what you have done,
ये क्या
what everybody is giving toilet, everybody is doing toilet here. So they said, the worker said that because you told that before the sunset, after sunset you shouldn't.
करना
So you said that after sunset you shouldn't write anything. So what happened?
ये लिखना चाहिए
So I would like to write here. So do not toilet here, but I only write toilet here.
आपको दंड होगा
So I have been given order. If you pass the urination here, so you will be punished. But you said that after urination you shouldn't write anything. Sorry, you said that after sunset you shouldn't write anything. So I just write here, do the toilet here. So I didn't put the not here. So it means everybody is doing toilet here. So
पिता 10 मिनट में देना था तो 10 मिनट में कैसे होगा
So if you have to speak for 10 minutes, then 8 minutes goes for Vandana. So how you can speak something in 2 minutes?
हमारे पास हमें 8 मिनट तो लगता है मेरा बंदना में 2 मिनट में हम क्या बोले पिछले 2 मिनट में इतना ही बोल दिया फिर बाद हमें समझ लिया जाए तात्पर्य हम किसलिए बोल रहे हैं
So what is the meaning here actually?
ये देखो जो मुक्ति धाम में चले जाते
So the person who goes to Mukti Dham,
कहीं हो से नहीं जाता
they doesn't have their bodily conceptions or consciousness
ये मुझे लोग के पढ़ा
because they lying there in a fainted mode. It is mentioned in the scriptures. What is mukti actually? Mukti means they just like a patient stays in coma. So in the same way, the person who get mukti, they lie here in this way. They doesn't have their bodily consciousness. So that's why also here described,
प्रेम क्योंकि मुक्ति धाम में कोई
because in the mukti there is no reciprocation,
लेना देना है
there is no giving and taking there.
क्योंकि प्रेम के जो मैंने आपको बताया वो दिशामंत्र में प्रेम कैसे होता
So I've told what is the meaning of love. Dadati pratigannati. There is a very beautiful shloka.
ददाति प्रतिगृह्णाति गुह्यमा कहते प्रचते भुंक्ते भोजयते चैव षड्विधं परिचलक्षणम्
घूमते बजते चैव इसके भजन कराओ और भजन करो घूमते बजते चैव और
So feed the people and take the food. Dadati pratigannati.
अपने भजन के जो है गोविंद कथा को आप उससे पूछो और पृथ्वी यदि तुम्हारे मन में कोई शंका हो डाउट हो
So if you have any queries and doubts regarding your bhajan, so you should ask.
ये मेरे समझ में नहीं
I am not able to understand this.
है
Please tell me.
महाराज मेरा नींद क्यों आती है
Even you can ask this thing, oh Maharaj, I am so much sleeping, I am sleeping too much, so why is it so?
नींद क्यों आती है बता दीजिए
So people, they are so much lying, people are so much lying and sleeping on in Hari Katha. Why?
किसी से सोया ही नहीं
The person who didn't sleep properly at night, so they will sleep in Hari Katha in the mornings. That's why some people sleeps in Hari Katha. Or
रोज बीमार बीमार भी हो सकते हैं।
Sometimes some kinds of fever and sickness must be there. That's why he is sleeping in the Harikatha. So there are many reasons in sleeping Harikatha. And somebody doesn't have any kinds of taste in Harikatha, so they will also sleep in Harikatha. So in this way it is saying, ask whatever the queries and doubts you have, you should ask to your Guru. Maharaj, I am not able to understand all these things, please tell me. Just like Parikshit Maharaj in the Bhagavatam. So during the Katha he asked so many questions to Sukdev Goswami Path. So in this way you should ask the question to your Gurudev. So please tell me this kinds of question, that what happened, why you have told this. So please mercy upon me and reply this. So Parikshit Maharaj asked these kinds of questions. Tadvidhi Pradipada Pariprashnena Sevya. Pranipatena. Tad means Bhagavad Tattva. Tat means Bhagavad. So Tat means for asking about Bhagwan. Pranipat means Pariprashnena Sevya. There must be three things. Tadvidhi, Pranipat, do the pranam and sit and ask the question. Updekshan te jnanina tattvadarshina. So the person who have the tattva who are the tattvadarshi, after seeing these three kinds of things, they give the answer.
श्रवण से समस्त पाप अपराध दूर हो जाते हैं और प्राणियों का मंगल होता है। जिस प्रकार शरद ऋतु के आगमन से नदियां और सरोवरों का जल अपने आप स्वच्छ हो जाते हैं, उसी प्रकार आपकी कथा श्रवण से जीव के मनोमल दूर हो जाना है। एकदम शरदन
So when the Sharad Ritu came, all kinds of water of ponds, drains become so pure. At the time of rainy season, when there is so much raining, so at the time the ponds full of water, but water is so much dirty, full of dust. So you have seen at the time of rainy season in the river, the nadi is full of water, but the water of the river is so much dusty. But the same river water, when the Sharad Ritu came, it becomes so clear. All the dust goes down from the water, and the water becomes so much crystal clear. When you put a stone into that water, you can see that. So at the time of rainy season, the water which is full of dusty, you cannot, if you put the stone into the water, you cannot check that, you cannot see that. If 1,000 times you put washing powder and soda for clearing the water, it cannot be clear. But look, so when the Sharad Ritu comes and rains stop, autumn season when comes, all the river, all the drains, all the ponds, the water becomes very crystal clear. So seeing the water, you will be thirsty because the water is so much crystal clear. So in this way it is saying, just like When the Sharad Ritu comes, all the waters of the river, drains, ponds become so crystal clear. In the same way, after hearing your katha, all the jivas vikar will go away. When you hear the Hari Katha, so whatever the dust, whatever the vikar you have in your heart will be removed, will be destroyed. Your katha, so your katha who are suffering in this world, it gives life to them, it gives pleasure to them, and provide all kinds of assets and position to the person who are hearing the Hari Katha. And the person who are giving Hari Katha, they are the topmost donor. Amritam Tapta Jeevanam. So when you hear the Hari Katha, so your all inauspiciousness will go away. That's why it is saying Mangal Bhavan Amangal Hari Amangal Hari Drabahu Sudashrat Ajara Bihari Drabahu Sudashrat Dashrat Ajara Bihari Mangal Bhavan. So after hearing the Hari Katha of Bhagwan, you all kinds of vikar will go away. If it is not getting pious, it means something is mistake. You are not hearing properly. After hearing so much Hari Katha, if your heart is not pleased, so we should understand that there is something mistake, there is something lacking, something is missing. What is the fruit of hearing Hari Katha? Your heart will be pleased, you will get so much pleasure. If you are not getting pleasure, and if your heart is not pure, if you are not satisfied, if you are not getting pleasure, it means that there is something missing. So we should understand if something is missing, you are committing mistake somewhere. What is that mistake? That this Vishaya Vasana. So in this world, people have so many kinds of Vishaya Vasana, the desires of sense enjoyment. Shri Vrindavan. So now Nas Thakur is saying in this way. So when I will giving up this all kinds of Vishaya, and I will hear the Radha Krishna Katha, and I do the Kirtan of Katha of Radha Krishna, Shri Vrindavan. So you cannot take the darshan of the material eyes of Vrindavan. If you would like to take the darshan of Vrindavan, so you need the transcendental eyes. Hey Pranavallabh, hey Kanta, when you go for herding cows,
हम आपके चित्त एवं मन में जागृत हो रहा है.
So how gopis are expressing her preeti towards Krishna. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, Oh Krishna, you are stealing our heart.
ये आपके चरण कमल के स्मरण करके हम लोग
So after remembering of lotus feet of your, we feel so much separation. We suffer,
रहता है
which is called
अपराधी प्रेम।
transcendental love.
दुनिया क्या करेगी?
What gopis are saying?
ये आपके चरण कमल के जब हम स्मरण करते हैं
When we remember your lotus feet, we feel so much suffering because you are going for cow
गायों
grazing.
के पीछे पीछे दौड़ते
So you are chasing the cows.
हैं? गाय के पीछे पीछे दौड़ते। गायों में तो पैर में खूर है,
So the cows has khur in
वो
in
काहे
their
जो है
feet,
वो चले जाते हैं।
so they can run fast. They can go here and there.
यहाँ पर कांटे
So if there is a throne, so there is no problem to them. There is a mud, there is no problem to them.
केवल स्टोन चिप्स है।
So there are stone chips there, so there is no problem to
और
them.
गाय क्या करती है?
And what the cows does, so easily they can walk on all these things.
किंतु हे गोविंद,
But hey Govind,
वो गाय आदियों को एकत्रित करने के लिए
for collecting all these kinds of guys
चलते
and herding them, you runs behind them.
पैर में नंदी कितने कष्ट होता
So you feel so much suffering in your lotus feet
है। लोक लीला
because you have very soft feet.
कितने पत्थर भी है।
So there are so many stones on the way. There are so many stone chips, kate. There are so many thrones on the way.
आप तो देखते नहीं हो बस
You don't see anything. So where are the cows? You always chase them. So you never look down. For controlling the cows, you go. Some cows are so much naughty. They are going here and there. They are troubling you so much. So in this way, the cows who are going here and there, so for controlling them, so you are choosing that kinds of cow and going here and there, and you never look down on the land. So there are so much stone shapes and thorns are there, and your lotus feet is so soft. So how many thorns you get into your feet, and you suffer so much. That's why in the earlier shlok, Braj Sundaris,
स्मरण कर गति हो जाती है। तथा उनका चित्त अशांत हो रहा था। देश कृष्ण के लक्ष्य पर कहने लगी, हे चित्त भ्रामक, भ्रामकन चित्त जो भ्रमित करते हैं, भ्रामक का हमें किस प्रकार शांति हो गया बताओ। हमें शांति नहीं, क्यों? या आपके चरण कमल के स्मरण करते, या ऐसे सुंदर चरण कमल को।
So what gopis are saying, hey Krishna, you have very lotus very soft feet. So how you put your feet on these kinds of stone shapes and the thorns? So that's why we are unable to understand. So our mind is always disturbed. Maybe it is meeting or separation. We have these kinds of feelings. We remind these kinds of things in our mind, that how you are walking on the feet. Why there is so much suffering in the meeting? So now Krishna is meeting with us, but after some, what happens? Krishna will leave us. So now we are meeting with Krishna. Everything is going well, but after some times Krishna will move from here. So that's why remembering this kinds of bhavi separation, remembering that gopi cries. So this is the reason. This is called the bhavi vire. What love needs. We always stay together in one place. But this is, the effect of Kal, and this is the rule of Vidhi, the nature. that in this world,
इसी का नियम है
this is the nature of
ये माइक संसार
world, this is the mic world.
संसार की नियम ही है क्या नियम है
What is rule? What is that rule?
कुछ समय एक साथ में रहने के बाद
So after staying with
क्या करना पड़ता है
after staying with someone for a little time, everybody has to leave each other. Just like in the Srimad Bhagavatam, given an example.
हाँ
So there was a one bundle of grass,
नदी के रास्ते से
grass. If you throw into the water,
कुछ समय के लिए वो घास देख सकते
so for us sometimes that the pieces of that grass will live together. But after some time, after some times, all the pieces, all the grass will be this here and there in a different position, and where they goes nobody knows. Some are going somewhere, some are going somewhere. So maybe that the pieces of grass meet each other sometimes.
हर रोज यमुना में
So I have seen on the Vrindavan there are many kinds of. We always used to go
और यमुना
for
में हम
Aarti darshan in Yamuna,
और देखा क्या यमुना
and
में
what I have
देखने
seen,
को मिला।
I have seen so many kinds of astonishing things there.
क्या होता है
There are many kinds of leaves, patte.
पत्ता आदि है
There are many kinds of leaves.
हैं? क्या बोलते हैं
टहनी बोलते हैं, टहनी, पता नहीं अब वो
हिंदी आता है बोलो। अरे देखा लड़के लोग के पास आते और दूसरे साथ में डालते
टहनी बोलते हैं ना, पत्ते वगैरह होते हैं।
हैं?
अरे वो बंदा आपने देखा ना, घास की जो आती है, पत्ते होते हैं उसमें काफी ऊपर बह के आते हैं, सिंगाड़े के पत्ते पौधे होते हैं।
एक साथ में इतना आता है और कुछ समय के चलने के बाद वो धीरे एक करके
अलग
खिसक जाता है।
So when you go to Yamuna Ji or any river, so you have seen there are many kinds of trees in a little form comes. So they are coming together and they तितर होने को ही
संसार में काल के प्रभाव से प्रकृति के नियम से हम सब एकत्रित हो जाते हैं।
So they are, when they were coming from there, so they are collected, but after some time they separated. Yes. Separated. So they were separated here and there. So that seaweeds. So that seaweed sometimes sometimes they are in a collecting form, and after sometimes they will be diverted here and there and will be separated from each other. So after seeing all this grass, all these seaweeds will go here and there. So in this way here it is saying, so according to the nature or the law of this mic world, we used to meet, and after time we will be separated. So everything is happening according to the nature. Bhishma Pitama, so in the Mahabharata he said, so by the effect of Kal we are meeting each other, and by the Kal we will separate it from each other. So someone is coming from somewhere and someone goes somewhere, nobody knows. People are coming from so many places and they went away. At the time of night, all kinds of birds, they used to live or stay in a one tree, and they are chirping there, and they are meeting each other. Maybe you have seen in the garden there are many kinds of trees are there. So they are collecting there in one tree and they are sitting each other, they are staying there. and they are reciprocating their love to each other.
और सारी रात
So whole night they are
दूसरे के साथ मित्रता भी करते
so whole night they are meeting with each other. They are making so much friendship and chirping there. But early in the morning when the sun rises, so all those words for searching the food, so they are going in a many sides, in a different sides, in a different directions they are going. So nobody knows that where they have gone from which side. So they are staying some places for some time together. Maybe you have seen for sometimes they are flying together, but after some times they will all will be separated. So when these all the birds goes for searching food, so when they were returning after searching their food, so some are not returning because some are not returned. It is not necessary that all the pakshi will come back for sure. So some will come, some will be separated. So in this way, Srimad Bhagavatam given an example. There was a forest. There was a pair of pigeon and she pigeon and he pigeon. So they were staying in the forest after making the nest. So they have so much love and affection. So they are mixing their beak and they have given the eggs on the nest, and the eggs was broken and there was a child also, baby. So one day what happened, the he pigeon and she pigeon, they were thinking today we both go for searching the foods. So saying that, he pigeon and she pigeon, they flied. So they enter into the deep forest. So what they saw, there is so much rice was on the ground. Maybe somebody spreaded rice on the floor. So the he pigeon and she pigeon, they were sitting on the branch of the tree and saw, oh, look at the mercy of Vedanta, that we have these kinds of food before us, the pieces of rice. So the she pigeon said, okay, both we go together and collect these all kinds of pieces of rice. So the he pigeon said, look, this is the forest. So in this way, how it is possible that pieces of rice must be here? How? So because this is a deep forest, nobody goes here and there. Nobody is walking in this forest. So no, if it is possible, maybe that someone carrying the bag of full with rice, so maybe there are some pieces of rice spread here, but nobody is moving here, so something is planned here. So that's why we shouldn't go here. So he pigeon said, we shouldn't go there, we shouldn't take this rice, because something is planning here. So these all are the bad symptoms. So the she pigeon said, oh, this is the nature of the giants. They always think so much, oh, this is wrong there, this is right there. Arey, just you look at, there are so beautiful rice are on the floor, so we should go so early and we have to collect. So we will take together, and whatever the child we have, a little child, we will feed them also. So he pigeon said, hey she pigeon, this is not right.
हो सकता है इसमें जाल
So it may be possible that someone has planted the net here.
एक दिन शिकारी आएगा
So there was a
जाल
proverb you
बिछाएगा,
have heard.
दाना
One day
डालेगा,
shikari will come, spread the rice.
लोग से
He will make a net, so you don't have to be caught in that net. One day एक दिन शिकारी आएगा. One day shikari will come. Hunter. One day hunter will come. He will make the net. He will spread the rice, and you don't have to catch in that. So the kabutri, the she pigeon said, the Purush, he always doubt in everything. There is something is planning and this and that. So in this way, when she was thinking like this, when she was saying like that, some another words will come and they will catch all the pieces of rice. So that's why we are delaying here. We should go and take the rice. So whatever, how much we have to carry in our peak, we should take. So the pigeon said, "Hey kabutri, oh she pigeon, so we should leave from this place." So the she pigeon was not able to understand anything. So she fled away and she started. So she started collecting all the pieces of rice. So what happened? Maybe you have seen this kinds of view. So at the same time, shikari aayega. So I told you that one day shikari he will spread the rice, he will make the net, so you don't have to catch there. So log se fasna nahi, catch. So that she pigeon was so much involved in taking that pieces of rice, in collecting of pieces of rice. She was so much in observed that from so far the hunter saw. So the hunter already planted a net there. So their thread is so much very light that it is not able to visible. So when she pigeon was collecting the pieces of rice, so that hunter pulled the rope. So within a very few seconds, that she pigeon caught in the net. So now the she pigeon was trying so much efforts for coming out, but it is not possible to her. She is now caught already. So at the same time, the he pigeon came, and he thought what to do. Now no one is able to save her. So now she is caught by the call. So the pigeon came. So the pigeon came and he was giving the last see off to her. Just like in this world we have seen some people dies from in this world. So we used to carry that person on our shoulder, and we used to do the cremations at the funeral places. So from today onwards, for the many infinite words, we don't have any relationship with you. So we will meet again or not, nobody knows. Or we will meet in future, so we will meet in a different body, and we will not. So the person who are remembering the katha or the memories of past times, past lives, so this is called Jati Smarana. Just like you have heard the story of Buddhadev. So he knew his 108 births. He knew Maybe you have read or that not. Buddhadev.
108 जन्म की कथा बुद्धदेव अपने शिष्य को सुनाया।
So Buddha told the 108 pastime births to his disciples. In some births he was ox, some birth he was cat, some birth he was something. So he remembered all the previous births of him.
आपकी याद है पिछले जन्म की कथा याद है?
Do you know who was you in your last birth?
पिछले जन्म
In the last birth,
की कथा आपको याद है?
do you know who were you?
पिछले जन्म में काल क्या था अपनी बता दीजिए। भूल जाते।
What to speak about last birth? If I ask you that what you have eaten yesterday, so you are not able to remember that. So if something is special there, so we always remember there, otherwise we don't. Whatever happened with us yesterday or day before yesterday or few days back, whatever happened with us, we are not able to recognize all these things. So what to speak about the previous birth? And here Buddha is saying that I remember my 108 births katha, that who was I. Sometimes I took the birth in the form of ox. So in a different species I have taken birth in 108 lives. So if you read that, so you will get pleasure. You should read this Buddha character. So in the books it is also mentioned, some schooling books, the story of Buddha. So what's my mean to say here actually? So that pigeon said to the she pigeon, "Oh she pigeon, from tomorrow onwards I don't have any relationship with you. So now we are separated from each other." Why? Because very soon that Vahiliya, the hunter, will come and he will catch you and take out from the nest and he will kill you, and they will cook you into the fire and will take your meat, eat your meat. So that's why hunter cook that kinds of words into the fire, and when they will cooked fried, then they eat. So I told you earlier, hey she kabutri, she pigeon, don't go there, but still you were not listening to me. So you had so much greed of feeding rice, so that's why you didn't go, you went there. So in this way, so they were talking each other and they were so much observed in talking each other. They were so much observed in talking each other. Oh hi, alas for next previous many births I don't have a relationship with you. So you will die, and in your separation I will also die. So all these little words, the children we have, they will also die. So all we will die just because of you. What you have done, just because of little greed of this rice, you caught yourself in this net, and I have to die also in your separation, and all the little childs, they will also die just because of you. So when they were talking each other, when they were discussing this kinds of thing, so one is outside kabutar, so one is outside from the net and one is inside the net. So she pigeon is inside the net and he pigeon is outside the net. So hunter saw that hunter saw that the he pigeon is so much intoxicated and observed in talking to this she pigeon, so he throw a arrow
और कबूतर के वक्षस्थल को
and it tears the heart of the chest of that
कबूतरी के सामने
pigeon. So before the she pigeon, that he pigeon was full of blood and died.
किसके हुआ पहला
Kabutar.
देखो आप
So Kabutar died first. This is very surprised.
फिर
And then
पहले ने क्या की
what the hunter did,
कबूतर की भी जान से निकाला
so he take out the she pigeon from the net
को ऐसे twist कर
and he twisted her neck and died her.
हैं?
Twisted her
दोनों
neck.
पक्षी को जो है कबूतर के कान को बंद करके ले गए
And he hang up all both he and she pigeon.
चलते देखा उसी जंगल में
And what he saw in that
आगे
forest,
जो है वही कबूतर की जो है घुस रहे हैं जहाँ पर
so on the way what he saw, there is a nest of these little birds also.
उन्होंने क्या की
So what he did, so that hunter take out all the infants birds from that nest.
यही तो काल
So this is Kal,
और क्या करने लगे
this is death.
सारी बच्चे को मार दिया।
So he killed all the birds,
और
child of birds,
एक साथ में आग में डाल करके
and he had put it all the pigeons, he pigeons, she pigeons and their child into the fire, and with the alcohol, wine, liquor, whiskey. अरे यार ये और इधर उधर चले जाते हैं. And he started drinking alcohol and ate them all. Bola Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. And he took a nice dinner according to him. So this is what is my mean to say. So by the Kal, by the time we meet each other, and after sometimes we separated. So this is the strange world. So in this strange world we are staying here. So for our sense gratification we fight each other, kill each other. So there are many examples in the Bhagavatam. So there are many kathas of renunciation is there. Kasai? Slutter बोलते हैं. So we have seen in the slaughter houses, the butcher they kill so much cows, they feed some big green grass to them, and for eating that green grass, that these kinds of cows fights each other, and they don't know, they are not aware about that the butcher is waiting for cutting their neck. So this is the Kal, this is the death. We are hearing, we are listening, and we are speaking, but we are not getting the renunciation. So this is all is happening by the time, by the Kal, by the death. So that's why we used to say, till then you have the breath, till then you have hope. Until you have breathe, till then you have hope. Breathe and hope. If I have breathe, then I have hope that I will do this. And if your breath goes, then you don't have any hope. So in this way our life is going on, and one day everybody has to be separated. So that's why Bhaj Govindam, Govindam, Bhaj Bhumate. Yes, we are not getting the renunciation. When the bhakti comes, automatically you are full of knowledge, and this is called the Yathartha.
हम लोग ही नहीं कर रहे, हमारे लिए नहीं कर रहे।
So we are not getting the renunciation in this way.
वो केवल फल्गु वैराग्य
It is just like a Falgu Vairagya, just like a Markat Vairagya, just like a for some time Vairagya only. So now we are ending up the shloka here. So that's why the gopiyas in the separation they are describing this kinds of things. Shirad. So remembering your lotus feet, so we are so much suffering.
एक तो आपकी जो वेदना उस पर फिर लाखों चरणों की व्यथा हम कैसे सहन करें?
So how we can tolerate this all kinds of
डाल रहे हैं प्राणगंध आप अपने चरण का अपव्यवहार मत करो।
Hey Prankant, you are going for the cow herdings and your feet are so soft, so when all the thorns and stone chips will tease your feet, so it hurts our heart. We hurt so much. So gopis are remembering all the things in this way. What is separation? What is viraha? What happens in the viraha? So they always remember the meetings past time. Just like we used to make the Vira Mahotsav. Oh, Aarti is ready or not? Chalo, prepare the Aarti because it's already 7 o'clock. Gopis are saying when you chase the cows in the forest, so you must teased by the thorns and the stone chips. So who will take out all these things from your feet? Because the cows have khor in their feet, but you doesn't have anything and you are the slipperless also. You are chasing the cow barefoot and your feet are so soft. So who will take out the thorns from your feet? So that's why gopis are feeling so much suffering after remembering all these things, that oh, you are full of so much thorns in your feet and teasing you so much. Hey Nishtar Man, why are you doing like this?
गाय को नहीं देखते और उसके जब गाय को एकत्रित करने के लिए जब आप उसके पीछे रहते तो आप अपने थोड़ी देखना।
So when you are chasing the cows and controlling them, so you are not seeing that where is the thorns, where is the stone chips. So you are not seeing on the ground and you are chasing them and walking towards them. So in this way there are many kinds of thorns and the stone chips teases you. So who will take out this? So you must be suffering so much in your feet because you have so much soft feet. Hey mind, so gopis are saying, hey mind, we are not accepting your these things.
क्योंकि इस मन में इस प्रकार विवाद चलता है, अंत में मन कहता है कि तुम ऐसी चिंता करती हो तो कृष्ण के पास जाकर कृष्ण कहे, अरे गोपियों, तुम मेरी इतना चिंता क्यों करती हो?
We reading कर रहे हैं सेम थिंग।
अपराधी जो काम हमारे मन को चंचल एवं शांत बना देती हो, इसलिए हमारी बुद्धि भी कुंठित हो रही है। हे प्राणनाथ, हमें हे वन में दस लोगों का टुकड़ी लुट आओ और हमें दर्शन दो।
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। So gopis are saying, in this way you return back from the forest very soon and please give us darshan. Okay, and now prepare the Tulsi Aarti. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. See you soon in the Hindi page. Hare Krishna.